And in the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit, three in one mind, body and soul. In the name of the archangels, Michael, Gabriel, Raphael, Uriel, Raguel, Phanuel, Sadakiel, the angels bright. Oh, names of heaven, guard me through the night. Oh, holy angels, keep me in your light. Through lions, serpents, beasts that roam, by God's own hand, I am safe at home. These are the names handed down through time, to shield from danger, fierce and wild. Written not in magic, but in faith divine. Under God's command, protection is mine. Oh, names of heaven, guard me through the night. Old manger, dead man, oh, holy angels, keep me in your light. Oh, holy angels, through lions, serpents, beasts that roam, by God's own hand, by God's own hand, I am safe at home, by God's own hand. Elias, Abelil, Laza, Eliru, El Tabata, Sel, Hairarra, Mine, El Elias, Abelil, Laza, Eliru, El Tabata, Sel, Hairarra, Mine, El. All the names and the heroine chanted aloud in God's power dwell. Elias, Abelil, Laza, Eliru, El Tabata, Sel, Hairarra, Mine, El. All the names and the heroine chanted aloud in God's power dwell. Oh, names of heaven, guard me through the night. Oh, holy angels, keep me in your light. Oh, holy angels, through lions, serpents, beasts that roam, by God's own hand, by God's own hand, I am safe at home. In the middle of the night, upon my chest, I kneel and recite my soul confessed. If beasts appear or fear surrounds, God's holy power protects and abounds.